This place is always freaking crowded. No parking whatsoever. No open parking spots. That is because we're out in Ontario Mills. Crowds are insane. Yeah, we're gonna start with the Nike outlet right here. They literally just started a line right when I got here. Waited like, what, 2 minutes probably? And we're back to 30% off clearance apparel and 30% off the back wall. And we'll start with the size 9s, 85 for the Infinity ones. 8.5 Monarchs right here, 75. We just saw those for crazy cheap somewhere. Kobe High, or Kobe Elite High right here. These are 2 bills. Got some Comme des Garçons. Chuck 70s, 130. Got LeBron 22s, 108. And once in a while they do have Converse here because Converse is owned by Nike, and I guess these just made it off the aisles. They do throw all the refurbs in with the regular stuff here. They do have refurbs. Jordan MVP 92, aka Jordan 7 lows, kind of, sort of, not really, 70 bucks. Got Forces for 100. Tech Challengers, these are 9.5, 80. Rejuvenates right here, 60. Some Book Ones, 120. Next Genesis right here, 65. Remember, you do get 30% off everything with no box top. Moving over to the 10s over here. Got some mids going for 99. One of my boys just texted me, told me that the clearance store, Nike clearance store, is packed as hell, 100 bucks. 70 for the Shox R4s. I think everybody's doing their back to school shopping. What are these DNs? Right here, the Roams go for 170. I bet this LeBron does have a price tag, 85. This is how busy they've been. It's late afternoon, so people have been shopping all day. Got these in 10, also 10.5s. Jordan 4 Rome, or RMs, I'm sorry, Jordan 4 RMs, 70. More of these going for 80. I see another one of those Converse. Seen a lot of repeats. Gattos right here, these are going for 60. Last 2 weeks they've had, what, 40% off? Was it more than 2 weeks? First time I'm seeing a USA jersey on sale. I think this is a large. Oh, this is a medium right here, 100 bucks for this one, and then it's like embroidered on and stuff, so definitely one of the better quality ones. No number on it though. Super soft, dry fit, $40. Got Tech, what's this, Tech Pack windbreaker right here, 70. Alright, who's buying like super colorful shirts like that? They got the matching fleece jacket right here, 40. Got this, is this a golf t-shirt or something? I don't know, but it is a dry fit. And it's like hella thick. It is hella thick. I don't see a price tag on it, unfortunately. Damn you, budget tee, getting in my way. 45 for this Jordan jacket. Super thin, but material seems hella nice. You get 45 off of all this stuff. Pretty freaking dope. Yeah, if you can shop off season, 90 for that. Pretty freaking dope. Alright, let's knock out the back wall, the bigger sizes. I'm gonna be honest, seeing a lot of the same stuff. Not even exaggerating. I think these are some 270 golf. Yeah, 130, 11.5. Look at this, all stuff that we've seen in different sizes. Got some Vomero 5s right here. What they talking about? 11.5, $120. Some OG Cortezes right here. These are the nylon ones, 80. Vaporfly Next Percent 4s right here, 120. Still a solid price. They got 11.5. They got a 12 as well. And then more of the same. Like can we get like any? Look at this. Like, it's all stuff that we've seen. Looks, we got some black Air Max DN 8s right here. These are just the DNs, aren't they? These are just DNs. So wrong box for that one. Got these 2 trays, 110. See a 12.5 right here. Been seeing a ton of these at the outlets. GT Cut 4 preheats 210. These are definitely not mids, $100. Okay. It's always a pain trying to find the price when they have the wrong item in there. Nike by You, $70 for those blazers. Yeah, nothing too crazy here. I'm gonna jump over to the bigger sizes in the women's section to see if they have anything interesting. I definitely don't foresee any extended size pricing, just too busy, $90. Jordan 1 hot OGs right here, $130. Got some Pegasus premiums. Are they going for regular price, 30 off? Some Vapor Flies right here, 10.5, 180. 10.5 women, 9 men's. Back to the clearance apparel section. I've never seen a shirt like this. It's an interesting material. It is a dry fit t-shirt, but it's different material. Does not look like cotton though. $40. Interesting Mamba jacket. Right next to that Mamba mentality jacket with all the rings and stuff. Kind of like a bomber jacket. Is that what people would call it? I don't see a price tag on it though. Kind of interesting. I think a lot of you guys would like that one. Got one of the Mamba hoodies right here, $40. I've never seen this colorway. It's like basketball shorts material. I think this side it's mostly t-shirts. We got the England t-shirts right here. That's where you're from. You can grab one of those for $42. They got all t-shirts on that one, $15. Another $30 off on top. Extra small tech fleece. Why doesn't the orange show up? I always have a tough time. $65. Just regular fleece shorts. Like this is like 100% cotton. You can actually feel it. Feels a little rough. $30. Basketball shorts. Super colorful. This is going for $50. God damn, $50. Another 30 off. Cargo looking shorts right here, 50. Like this is like, what the hell? This is a medium shorts. These are medium shorts with the F. My running shorts are pretty short, but like that one was crazy. Definitely not that short. But $85 for this one. Like this is like the exact opposite. Like crazy, crazy low. Holy cow. Now that the back to school sales are going on, obviously backpacks not on sale anymore. But they're lower than retail. These are normally 90 down to 60. Like I think this is 25 off a while back. I think this is the one I have. I think I have this one. Yeah, the clear ones go for 40. Right here they have the clear frosted, the regular clear or super duper clear, 35, and then more of these. These feel super premium. All right, let's go check out the rest of the sneaker section. Move on to the aisles. And Jordan play slides. Runners here. A lot of you older fools who are fans of these, tell me how comfortable they are. Older fools, meaning like my age. But yeah, here's a bunch of the generic J's. Even got them in Jordan retro boxes. What the hell? The elephant boxes. We got more and more of those. Jordan 3 Easters. We all knew these would be at the outlets tough. And Jordan 1 High OGs. And then we got slides. And then budget NBA signatures. Continue on this side as well. LeBron 23s. Kobe's. The Kobe ones. Got a sleuth of these rejuvenates. So many different colorways right here. And we got them in white. We got the slides in a khaki Volt. And then I don't know how to say this color. Air Max slides right here. Total 90s. And that one go for hella cheap. This one go for retail. Got a couple of Gatos right here. This one go for hella cheap. For $35, $35. Nike City shoes. These like go with jeans and stuff. Some people kind of like the plain look. Got Dunk Lows. This is a Kentucky one right here. Do got 4 different Air Max 2017s. Got some Air Max 95s. That is crazy cheap, $70. This one must be new here. Got quite a few Air Max 90s, including these all black ones. Max DN. These are the DN8s. This one has like some mesh in it. That's interesting. And got 3 of these. I got the Pata ones. right here. Then Air Force 3s, got some Forces, Air Force 1s obviously. This one's Dusty Olive, what the hell? Got some white and blacks. Then got some Monarch 4s right here. Do they have Monarch 1s, 2s, 3s? I don't think I've ever seen them, but yeah, I don't know. These are Monarch SEs. These are some 4E1s, which means wide. Then got these in wide as well. Don't see any premium running shoes. Not over here at least. We got some Pegasus premiums. Then some Vaporfly Next Percent 4s right here. This is such a solid price. We got plenty of them up to size 14. Wow. Move it over to the women's section. Oh wait, before that they got a nice little restock. Being a little nosy, not see nothing crazy though. Where they got these here as well. They got these Jordan 1 lows, 90 bucks. Cortez's super bright, 70. Field Generals right here, going for 55. Remember, you get 30% off all this stuff right here. LD thousands, 55. Jordan 4 RMs right here, $60. These normally go for 155? No. Do they? Who's paying 155 for non-signature J's? 110 for the DNs. Another colorway of the Jordan 4 RM, 60. Another one of these, 130. Vomero 5 right here, 130. This is the Valentine's Day one. This one's interesting because there's actually no mesh. No mesh. It's like synthetic fiber, but it's like knitted. It's kind of interesting. This is way different than most of the Vomeros I've seen. Yeah, those are going for 130. Air Max Muse 170. Dunks right here 90. P6000s 80. Then everybody seems to be a fan of these. And yeah, 165, a little bit high. Ooh, I've never seen these Jordan. One of those, kind of an interesting colorway right here. That's very, very interesting. And this is the one with the mesh and all that stuff. The skylines. Yeah, regular price. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Then more Comme des Garçons, 130. They got some React Juvenates right here in the aisles. Palm Slides right here. I just heard some kid yell, "Dad, you farted." So loud, that was so funny. Dude got Air Max 270s. Got Forces, all white ones, which rarely ever go on sale. We got this one right here. The Paisley one. Jordan 1 high OGs going for regular price. Jordan 6 low, they call what, the pony hairs. Got Dunks. Sale Cocoa Wow Coconut Milk. P6000s, which are hella light apparently. Vomero 5s. Vomero 5 Roams, which are like a little more rugged version. Outsole way beefier too. Pegasus 2005s. Vaporfly Next Percent. Vomero Plus. Regular Vomero 18s. In quite a few different colorways. The fourth one right here in the wide. Let's go check out the kids section since everybody's doing their back to school shopping. Got pre-K. I think, oh, that's toddler and this is pre-K. Nah, both of them are pre-K, my bad. In grade school, got plenty of the non-signature J's. Jordan 1 low OGs. I forgot the colorway of these. Starfish mids right here. Or do we call them Shatterback boys? Black and red. UNC reimagined Jordan 1 highs. Trunners. Jordan 4 RMs going for $80. Actually, a pretty dope colorway. You know, I would pay $80 for that though. Got Dunks, Forces. Oh, got a couple more of the non-signature J's. 7 looking mug. Witness, some Rejuvenates. Then they got a load of these Vomero 5s. Thunder Blue, Black Metallic Silver, and this one in Silt Red. What the hell? All right, let's cover some more stores. I think we got time. Yeah, see, now that I'm done, huge freaking line. Is it worth it? I don't know.